In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom dashboard in Airtable. To follow along, start by opening your Airtable workspace and heading into the base where you want your dashboard to live. In this example, I'm using a simple app list base, but you can use any base that already has the data you want to visualize. Make sure you're on the main base view, where you can see your tables and records laid out like a spreadsheet. Once your base is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Interfaces option. Interfaces are Airtable's way of turning your raw tables into clean, interactive dashboards and views. Go ahead and click on Interfaces. This will open the interface home area for your base, where you can see any existing interfaces or create new ones. On this screen, you'll see an option that says something like, "Try building with AI." This feature helps you quickly set up a dashboard based on natural language instructions instead of building everything from scratch. Click on the Try Building with AI button to start that process. A prompt area will appear where you can describe the type of interface you want. Here, type in a short description using the word highlight. For example, you might be aiming for a dashboard that highlights key metrics, important records, or anything you want to keep an eye on. Just enter the word highlight as instructed, and Airtable's AI will use that as a hint to suggest an interface layout that focuses on important information. After you've typed in highlight, you'll see one or more suggested interface templates or options that match that idea. Look for the suggestion that mentions highlight and click on that option. This tells Airtable to generate an interface tailored around highlighting your data, such as top records, key fields, or summary information. Once the highlighted option is selected, Airtable will create a first version of your interface and open it in the interface editor. Here, you'll see a layout with elements like summary blocks, record lists, or charts depending on your data. Click on the highlighted elements within the editor to customize them. You can change which tables and views they pull from, adjust filters, rename sections, and refine how your dashboard presents your information. Take a moment to tweak labels, choose the most important fields, and rearrange components so the dashboard answers the questions you care about most. When you're happy with the layout, your custom Airtable dashboard is ready to use and share with your team.